Crypto arbitrage trading tutorial, and remember, you can make profits by buying low on a centralized platform and selling high on a decentralized platform. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because we'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading and we'll actually be receiving our assets in external wallet. So let's get to it. Make sure you go to your Binance, you click on add funds deposit. If you are trading with USDT, copy your USDT address, because that's what you'll use to receive your crypto arbitrage profits in your Binance account. So I'm using Binance, you can go substitute. So after that, make sure you have Runquilly and it is verified, both KYC and email. Fund it, then come to P2P. I had a running trade, I'm sorry I didn't release it. So you come on P2P arbitrage. Here you click on sell, then you find the best offer, like bit exchange. Then let's do the minimum, like 50 USDTs. We can make 9 USDTs, actually 9.50, but after P2P fee we'll get 58.31. so 8.31 is our take profit. Come click on external. We'll be receiving in Binance. Then you paste the Binance receiving address, your deposit address, you review, and you can check it here. We'll be receiving 58.31, so we don't forget that. Let me take a screenshot, and then you confirm the trade. And also remember, Runquilly has got what we call escrow protected, so you are safe with your arbitrage trading. So the trade is running, that is arbitrage trading, buying low assets at a centralized platform and selling high on a decentralized platform. So let's wait for some minutes for our funds to be sent in Binance, and we'll call our day for arbitrage trading receiving in external wallet. So for those who have been asking for this video, I saw some comments. Make sure you watch this to the end. So I'm still waiting for our arbitrage trade to be paid. Meanwhile, we can check the balance in Binance, which is 385, and we are waiting for the trade to be paid. So let's be patient. It's still 26 minutes remaining. You can see the countdown for arbitrage trading. So once I get the payment for this arbitrage trade, I'll let you know. So guys, I got a confirmation that my trade has been paid on, and you can see it has changed, and I need to release. That means I've been paid. So just click on release, and I will get my funds in Binance, which I should show you. You can see it was 385, now it is 443. It has changed when you are watching. So let's click on assets. You can see the transaction here, 58.31. so I saw the notification. That's why you need to check your balance first before you release. So this is how you trade crypto arbitrage trading, and you receive your funds direct to external wallets. So don't miss a chance of this one.